Bullish Star Map Book cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 3 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Map Book could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Star Chart Book market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Star Chart Book presentation. NFTs, the most up-to-date obsession with the web, are supposed to affect the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's monetary potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following flood of computer games is Star Map Book. Star Map Book is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Map Book players investigate the huge bereft of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain systems with NFT situated in game things and specific designs advances. What is Star Map Book? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Chart Book. According to its white paper, clients may combine efforts, sort out, and battle their direction into neglected territory on account of this astonishing creation. In August 2021, Star Chart Book will start its very first coin creation movement. It highlights in-game resources in view of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their special resources. Each component in Star Chart Book is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain, specifically. Star Chart Book ongoing interaction. In the game, players can make enormous urban communities and private ventures or rally and make decentralized independent associations to run over specific regions. Players get virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Chart Book totally embraces decentralization, rather than most of concentrated gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game articles. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The objective is to advance the adaptation of gaming time spent on Star Chart Book to give a real monetary profit to support. Star Chart Book Specialized Investigation. Specialized investigation, or TA for short, is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized pointers to check the Star Chart Book cost expectations and different variables. It is a strategy for inspecting the market using pointers, uncommonly made instruments. Financial backers and dealers can involve this way to deal with track down fair opportunities for exchanging or money management. Specialized investigation is ordinarily founded on authentic data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be utilized to conjecture what is probably going to occur. Specialized investigation is the examination of resources utilizing specialized markers. It is a method for investigating the market, using pointers made particularly for the reason. Financial backers and merchants utilize this strategy to track down opportunities for ventures or exchange, contingent upon the circumstance. Specialized examination is at times established on verifiable information for a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be used to gauge what is probably going to occur. Star Chart Book current cost. Star Chart Book is presently worth $0. Chart Book has moved 1.94% as of now with an exchanging volume of $958,674. Star Chart Book is presently positioned 449 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $30,261,523 USD. Star Map Book Value Forecast 2022. Star Map Book, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The chart book cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Map Book is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Star Chart Book Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Star Chart Book cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Map Book will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Mapbook's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Chartbook will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Star Mapbook Value Forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and Mapbook might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mapbook is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Star Mapbook Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Star Chartbook effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Chartbook coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mapbook will be green in 2025. The Mapbook is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Star Mapbook Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Mapbook cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2026, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Mapbook has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. Star Mapbook Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that Mapbook figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Chartbook needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Star Chartbook Value Forecast 2028. While Chartbook is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2028. Star Mapbook Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Star Mapbook will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Averaging out at 2 cents. Star Chartbook Value Expectation 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Chartbook cost in 2030 is projected to be 3 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. And current innovation is utilized in Star Chartbook, a vivid crypto gaming experience with astonishing visuals and imaginative interactivity. The game not just requests to players who are as of now mindful of blockchain innovation and digital forms of money, yet additionally has every one of the qualities that could prompt reception by a bigger gaming crowd. Moreover, the game can advance the far and wide reception of digital currencies on account of its imaginative in-game plan, dazzling designs, and utilization of the Solana blockchain. It would be a productive speculation, according to the greatest cost esteem, normal exchanging esteem, least cost esteem, normal exchanging value, Star Chartbook cost expectation, current cost, and normal estimate value, the cryptographic money market, and Star Mapbook gauge, among various elements. What is the Star Mapbook cost today?